All right, welcome everyone. This is Irvin here, team with Irvin. Today is February 5th, 2020, making today a Wednesday. Today we're gonna be analyzing the week of February 3rd to the 7th, and hopefully you're gonna be squeezing hundreds and hundreds of pips for the rest of the week, and hopefully you are making hundreds and what? And hundreds of pips out of the market. So be my guest today and hopefully everything will make sense. So if I have to analyze some different pairs, please let me know and I will go ahead and go offline. But my goal is to analyze what we already had done for the week on Sunday, which I think I analyzed about 13 different pairs. Let me count them up so I can be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different pairs, guys. The first video that I made on Sunday was the pre-week analysis where I dropped 3 different pairs, and so you guys were here with me analyzing that one, and then I put the full analysis so everyone can see it. So we're gonna go ahead and start with USD versus our Swiss francs. This is done on 4 hours. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Let me grab my tool here, if I have it. Bear with me. There you go. I think I got it. All right, there it is. All right, look at what I told you guys on Sunday here. I told you guys on Sunday that the market was gonna do what? It was gonna create 1 or 2 different candle, and then market was gonna retrace. But look at what happened. Market took off and they give you more than what I told you. Remember, I'm just here only analyzing the market, guys. But basically, this worked out pretty well. And I don't know how you're trading, but remember, what I do here is analysis, guys. And all I'm using here is the triple arrow and trying to make it easy for you guys. But if you don't, I don't know if we have newbies here, but if you are, this is your first time, again, we are doing this using our triple arrow system. The goal here is why is the market behave and basically as a bullish, right? Because look at here. Let me make a circle here. The triple arrow gave us a triple arrow doing what? What do you think it was doing? Right, it was bearish. So the question is, why is the market behaving that way, right? What do you think it is? Well, in my opinion, guys, this is a triple arrow pullback. If you really pay attention, the overall trend on this market is bullish, guy. So what happened is it came in and it retests our mid 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line, and then what happened? The market continued up. Why? Because the overall of the trend is bullish. Now, what do you think is going to happen for the rest of the week? For the rest of the week, my opinion is the market is going to give us a small pullback, retracing our 50 to our 30 Fibonacci line. What do you think is that area? That area is called our golden area, which is in this area here. It's between the 61, 50, and 39 Fibonacci line. So hopefully that makes sense. Bullmaster trend, yes it is. Lewis saying the market is bullish. He is correct. Remember, in this scenario here, market is being bullish since January 16, 2020, and we are on February 5th and market still bullish. Because guys, please never ever look for setup on 1 hour 30 minutes. That's not how you do it. Always look for your setup using your larger time frame. By using the larger time frame, you will avoid blowing your account. So that's what I really want you to pay attention and stick to that. There are plenty of traders. We are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of traders in our chat room. So if you are confused, you can ask anyone to help you out. But my suggestion is never ever trade with a smaller time frame. Please respect that and stick to the rules. The rule will not disrespect you as less if you stick to them, okay? So let me know if you have any question. Chai said is the overall is bullish. That is correct. Let me know if you guys have any question, okay? If I have to go offline, I will be more than happy to do so. but my goal is to teach you what I already posted on our Sunday analysis. All right. So let me see any other question. Shane Chai. Well, there's a lot of yes, bro. Yes, bro. Okay, so we're gonna move on then. All right, so let's go and analyze USD versus our Canadian dollar. Look at the time frame that I use, guys. What time frame is this? This is 4 hours. I love to use 4 hours in a daily. Why? Because those are my larger time frame. I also use weekly and monthly. 4 hours daily, weekly, and monthly. Those are my favorite time frame. And then I take my trade on any lower time frame, which I don't care whatever it is. But everything has to speak the same language here. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Remember, look at what the overall trend is here, guys. It's bullish. But look at what the triple arrow is giving us. Triple arrow is giving us what? A bullish market. So that is exactly what happens when I came up on Sunday. I told you the market was going to do bullish, right? So look at here. I said the market was still going to give us what? 1 or 3 more candles before they drop. But it went on our favor. Remember, the market was still bullish. So I was looking for a small pullback. But the market continued the way as what the market, the overall trend is. So overall here is bearish. So now, what do you think is going to happen for the rest of the week or next week? If I have to come back on Sunday, I may analyze this pair. What do you think is going to happen here? We're going to be looking for a formation of a triple arrow doing what? A pullback. That is what we are expecting to see for the rest of the week. So we are looking for a drop. Let me grab my tool so you can see it as well. So we're looking to see a pullback retracing our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. It may come back and retest our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. And then anyway, that is what is going to be, my opinion, the continuation of the pullback. But remember, when you are going to be trading pullback, you need to learn how to grab between 20 to max 40 pips, because that trend is not in your side. If you stay on it, then your account will be gone, because I do not trust just the 4 hours alone. I always confirm it with any other larger time frame. That is the way how you use it, guys. Always use larger time frame and enter in any lower time frame that you wish. All right, so let me see any other question. TA on H1. Louis, unfortunately, I don't care what 1 hour is doing. Remember, look at what I just said a few seconds ago. Do your analysis on the larger time frame, any time frame, 4 hours, daily, weekly, or monthly, and all you have to do in 1 hour or 30 minutes is just enter. Why? Because whatever you have already analyzed on the larger time frame is gonna tell you what it is on any lower time frame. And in 1 hour, most likely you may see the triple arrow. But remember, we still need more confirmation on the 4 hours of daily. So that's why those type of area, that's why you need to be looking at it. Please don't marry any lower time frame, because it's gonna go against you. You will regret it. All right, hopefully that helped. Guys, if you got any question, please drop it on the comments so I can read it, so we all can learn at the same time. And remember, I'm doing all this for free, guys. I really want you to do this. So if you are not part of the triple arrow system, we are gonna give you $20 cash back if you sign up. So just come in and analyze it with us. Look at this gorgeous trade here, guys. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday on the Euro versus our New Zealand dollar. What time frame is this? Look at that. Exactly 4 hours. 4 hours are my favorite ones. Again, 4 hours. What are other ones? Daily. What another one? Weekly and monthly. Hopefully that helps. Now, look at what happens. I guarantee you can go back to my Sunday video, and I told you on Sunday the triple arrow was not in this area. It was forming. But look at what happened. When I do my analysis on time, I nail this, 100%. But look at that. Triple arrow. Triple arrow will not lie to you guys. If you respect any rules that you have, it will reward you well. But you have to respect your rules. Look at what it's doing here. Triple arrow giving us a bearish, and bang. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Market's gonna come back and retest our 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line. Look at where it's sitting, guys. It's sitting in our 38 Fibonacci line. You seeing it? You saw me doing the video on Sunday. Here it is. So there it is, guys. So, and it's, in my opinion, still I don't see any formation yet to do a small pullback. Most likely it's gonna still giving us another 3 more candles before the market give us a retrace, retesting our 23 Fibonacci line. Hopefully that makes sense to you. If you're still confused, drop the comment on the chat room so we all can help you and we all can read it at the same time. All right, so remember that we here to help each other. And remember, guys, if you squeeze hundreds and hundreds of pips out of the market, it's not like pips that you're gonna be taking out of my bank account. I mean, it's there for everyone. The pipe is too big for me to be selfish. So if I can help you one way, bid it, take advantage. And remember what Mr. Pat said today. If you make hundreds of dollars out of the market and you see another lesser fortune citizen anywhere, go ahead and help them, guys. He said something very powerful today. Like, let's say you go to dinner with your wife or your spouse, whoever, and if you have enough cash on your packet, you can pay for that other person next to you. Don't tell them that you are doing it. Just just pay the bill. So that was very powerful when he said it, and it hit me. And I remember, guys, I was this very second person in this system, and up to now we are over thousands of members, and I'm still attending. I'm a student for life. I'm also a coach. I'm coaching, but it doesn't mean that I know everything. But here it is. All right, let's go back to our GBP, our Canadian dollar. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Another great setup. Oh my God, this is gorgeous, guys. I get very excited when things work out exactly the way how I do my analysis. Why? It's simply because I use the triple arrow system. That's all it is. No magic. It's just that I have rules and I respect my rules religiously. I don't care what other people might be saying. I just have my stuff and you are my witnesses. In the month of January, if you recall, we lost one trade, guys. One trade. In 2019, I trade with you guys live in 6 months. How many trades we lost in 6 months? 4 trades. How can you question that? It's amazing. Simply because the analysis is, I try to bring it up 100% accurate. But look at here. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Market was still not ready on Sunday. It was still going to give us a few more candles. And then look at that. It dropped. It dropped. But remember, guys, what we're looking here, this is the type of triple arrow that you always want to be in. This is trading triple arrow going with the master trend. This is when you need to be long. When you trade with the master trend, you got more possibility of grabbing hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. But if you're gonna be going against the master trend, like here's a triple arrow. That's when you need to be smart and grab 20-40 pip and be out. Look at here. If we drop a line here, bullish came in. Now it's time for the market to drop. Why? Because the market is bearish. Hopefully that makes sense. If you're still confused, drop the comment in the live chat room so we all can help each other. Let me go back to and read some of your questions and see if I can help you. All right, Louis saying it's just a sign that the TA on the 4 hours are coming. I don't know which one are you talking about, Louis, but that could be true. All right, I'm up 145 pip on EN and it's still running. Good job, Louis. I'm proud of you. Keep killing it. All right, Anthony says, what are your rules and when it comes to medium and a high impact on you in certain pairs? All right, Anthony, that is a great news. To be honest, guy, rule number one that I always mention is always check for the news. I don't care which pair you're gonna be taking, you have to check the news. If there are news that are gonna be impacting the pair that you're gonna be using, in my opinion, stay away. Stay away, because the news can do whatever it wants. You can have the perfect setup, but the market is the market. Market will do whatever it wants, not what we want them to do. They control us. So remember, market is considered our what? Our larger time frame, in my opinion. They do what we can do. So same thing. When you do your analysis, always use your larger time frame and then come back to your lower time frame and take it in there. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, let's move on. Let's move on, guys. Let's go to our next pair. Let me know if you do have any question. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at on Australian dollar versus our Canadian dollar. What time frame is this again? Can you figure it out? Right, 4 hours. That's what it is. Now, look at this. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I assure you that on Sunday, this analysis, triple arrow was not there. I can assure you 100%. And I'm pretty sure I made a circle here, and I told you that it was for me. Look at here, guys. Look at that. You like the arrows or you want me to drop the box? Either way worked for me. Look at that. Let me grab the box. Look at that. Either way, it's still the same thing. But look at what I told you guys here. I told you the market was going to come back and retest our 23 to our 30 Fibonacci line. And what happened? It went up. It went up. It gave us more pips. I mean, that's what you're here for, right? You're here to make pips. You're not here to let it dance. Because remember, this is not your friend. All right, let me go to the question. Cha said, Irvin, when going against the master trend, is there any triple arrow in the 4 hours daily? Has the big arrow direction you still going? Yes, Chai, you got it, man. That's exactly what I do. Good job. That is exactly what I do. So good job. All right, let's go to our next pair here. We're gonna go ahead and analyze GBP versus RNCD. I don't know if you are in your real trade on your real account on this pair, but if you are, hopefully my analysis will make sense. Look at this. Goodness. Look at that. What is triple arrow doing, guys? What did I tell you guys on Sunday? What did I tell you guys on Sunday? Look at that. I said what? What do you think I told you on Sunday? Market was going to do what? It was going to drop. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. And where did I tell you it was going to stop? In our 38 Fibonacci line to our 50 Fibonacci line. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It came right where I told you. Why? This is the reason you should ask me. You should comment below and say why, Irvin. Because the master trend is going with the triple arrow. That's when you need to be long. Is the probability of winning is higher than doing a pullback. Chai, hopefully that makes sense. If you're gonna go against the master trend, remember you're just aiming only for 20-40 pips. But if you're gonna ride the ride, going with the trend, goodness. Remember, guys, the market can go bullish or bearish from 3 months up to 2 years. Can you imagine in a year market trend down and you try to buy? Your account is gonna be gone. That's why there's a lot of newbies that don't have no idea when they comment on the chat room and say, "Oh, is anyone looking at USD GBP?" That's all they say, but they don't tell us the story behind. And sometimes, unfortunately, guys, I cannot be commenting too much. I really want you to come in and ask questions, but not that type of question. Always put your story together and say, okay, for around 4 hours, I also see something on daily, I see on weekly. Talk, mention more stuff. That will help you guys. All right. So let me go ahead and read some of your questions, and see if I can help you out. All right, so we have Shane Murphy says, is the master trend the trend of the higher time frame? Yes, it is, Shane. That's exactly what I do. All right, so and then Anthony said, can you show us how to identify the master trend? That takes a long time. So I'm here. Remember what I'm here for. I'm here to teach you what I already showed you on Sunday. So the whole idea for me to come in on Wednesday is to prove you guys that the analysis that we did on Sunday, it works, because triple arrow works 100%. Not 100%. Let me correct that. I would say 80% based on the analysis that I do. But look at this. In January, we lost how many trades? One, guys. What winning ratio is that? 99.9? Sure. How many weekend trades we trade during the month? 20, right? That's what it is. 5 times 4, 20. Yeah, 20. I mean, that's what it is. All right. So let's see. Chad said, hey, yes, Irvin, it makes sense. Haha, man. Still, all right, Chad. I'm happy that you are understanding. Samir says, what can you say about the gold is uptrend? All right, I'm coming there, Samir. I'm gonna show you about gold. Gold is coming. So I analyzed that pair on Sunday. All right, perfect. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday on our sweet friends versus our Japanese chain. Look at what I told you guys. Look at what I told you. Look, I said the market was gonna give us a retracement, retesting our 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line. Look at what it came in. It came. And it's doing, it seems like it's gonna retrace for our 38 Fibonacci line. Sure, I agree with this. In my opinion, for the rest of the week, the market is gonna drop down. Why? Guys, tell me. Louis got it. He said it's down. Exactly. That's how it is. How hard it is. I mean, look, my daughter is 6 years old, guys. She know how to read this stuff. She learned this when she was 5. Now she's 6. She mastered this. If a 6 years old can read trend, why can you? It's not hard. Some of you say, Irvin, but you making this so simple. It is simple. What is so hard of it? I can't make it hard. It is what it is. But you should ask yourself, how can I learn it in a better way? Look at this. Triple arrows giving us a story. The market is doing what? It's bearish. All you have to do is put your AA game together and kill it. Do it exactly based on the rules that you have. There was something that someone wrote on my chat room today, and it says the goal is to be wrong really fast. Remember, the goal is to be wrong really fast and to be right for a very long time. That is an amazing quote. The goal is to be wrong really fast, but to be right for a very, very long time. Remember, guys, discipline will make you very, very dangerous in this business. Discipline will make you very dangerous in life, period. If you are disciplined, that's it. And patient. Patient, discipline, make you dangerous. All right, let's move forward to our next pair. Let me comment below if you want me to go offline. Look at this gorgeous one. Oof. Guys, this is an amazing thing. What do you guys think the market is doing here, guys? Let me see. Let's test Louis. Louis seems like he got it, but let's give the opportunity to another one. Seba, okay, Seba, we're gonna get to that one. Russell says, I would like your post, your analysis on my Facebook page and help people introduce to Forex. Do you mind? Sure, we can talk offline, Russell. I don't mind doing that. Really, I don't. All right, so what do you guys think is the NCD USD doing, guys? Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Look at this. I said on Sunday, the market was still gonna give us a few more candles before what? Before it takes off. Look at what it's doing. Currently, it's moving slow, but it's performing exactly what I told you. You here with me. You seeing it. It's performing exactly what I told you. In my opinion, the setup that I told you guys on Sunday is still valid. There's nothing wrong with it. Still valid. All right. But remember, guys, here, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds, and hundreds of pips out of the market, all by following very strict rules out of this game. Also, it is. Treat this business like a game, guys. When you go play any sport that you have rules. So that's how I want you to respect everything you do in this type of business. All right. All right. So Shane Murphy says, do you teach Fibonacci retracement and take profit level? I don't, but it's very straightforward. Very straightforward. That's the only thing that I don't do. But I mean, triple arrow is easy, to be honest. It's not hard. All right, let's go to the next one and see if anyone is on GBP JPY. Anyone? Look, guys, what I told you guys on Sunday. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. How many pairs have we analyzed, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs out of what? Out of 14. And look at that. Everything is working currently based on our analysis. Look at this. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. From this point here, this is where it was sitting on Sunday. It was let me make a circle. Market was sitting right here. I said the market was gonna do what? It was gonna come back and retest our 100 Fibonacci line. Look at what happens. This is gorgeous. But who is in charge now, guys? Who is in charge? You want me to make a circle? Look at that. Triple arrow is telling us the market is doing what? It's doing a bullish market. And that is exactly where it's sitting. Remember, your job here is to be right for a very long time. And once you master this, guys, this is very unique skills. No one will ever fool you in any this financial business. This is very unique. Once you nail it, that's it. You set for life. You will be your own ATM. There is plenty of cash to grab, but you need to master the skills. This is all it is, skills. All right, let's go to USD JPY. Let me do something here. They came in wrong. Any question, guys, please let me know. Let me know if you guys have any question, all right? So I can help you. All right, let me see. Let me correct something real quick. For some reason, you see that name, it came in wrong. But let me see. What question do you guys have? Anthony says, will you take a trade if all time frame line up? Oh yeah, trust me, man. That I will do in a heartbeat. That I will take it 100%. All right. So hopefully that makes sense. But I mean, that's the right thing to do, Anthony. If you do that, then you nail it, dude. But remember, I don't know what will be the overall trend. But look at here, guys. Look at what we're looking here on the USD JPY. Look, here's the pair. He said, here's the USD JPY. All right. So now the goal here is to know why the market is behaving in the same way how it is right now. Guys, look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Look at this. Market was still not fully ready to take off. Still was gonna give us one or two more candles before the market takes off. Look at that. It did. But what do you guys think the USD JPY is doing, guys? What do you think is the master trend? I've been talking about this for a while. What do you think it's doing? Go ahead, guys. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Even if you're wrong, I'm here to help you out. What do you think it is? Market is doing what? It's bullish or bearish? In my opinion, it's just doing a correction, guys. But this here is a bearish market. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense. Samir says, I don't have arrow at MT4, MT5. I use Ichima. Well, you can use anything you want. You can go ahead and match it with the triple arrow. But we used triple arrow all the way. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Samir says it's a bullish move. In my opinion, it's doing a pullback. It's not a bullish 100%. You can go back and check it. There you go. Louis says bear. You can go back and check whatever software that you may have. But I'm telling you up front, we're seeing a bearish market. Pay attention what it's gonna do next week. It may drop. It may drop, guys. Hopefully that makes sense. And look at what it's doing here, right? Look at here. It just came to an end, in my opinion. What do you think it's gonna do next? What do you think it's gonna do next? You here, you're the student, right? Look at that. It's gonna drop down. Now it's not bullish anymore. You don't have to believe me. I trust the system. The system tell me it's a bearish market, then I will go bearish. If I'm wrong, it's fine. It's fine. It's maybe because I didn't check the news. But that is the way how I operate in this business. All right. Hopefully that makes sense. How to get the triple arrow, Samir? The link will be on the description of this video. If you sign up, we are gonna be giving you 20. Actually, you know what? We're gonna give you $25 back. All right. It's only $2.99. It's very cheap. Very, very cheap. But I mean, you can make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips out of it. Out of $2.99. All right. So, but hopefully that makes sense. If not, it's fine. Keep doing what you're doing. Okay. However you find success, I'm okay with that. My goal is to help you if I can. All right. Someone asked me to analyze gold. All right. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Look at this. Sunday, it was not fully ready. It was forming. Gold is bearish, guys. Gold is bearish. And market was still not fully ready on Sunday. I think we were in this candle here, right? Let me highlight it so you can see it. We were somewhere in here. And I said the market was going to give us what? 1 or 2 more candle before what? Before it dropped. And look at what I put it at, to be the TP basically. Between R23 to R38 Fibonacci line. R38 is considered our golden area, right? But look at what happened, guys. Market dropped. But the question is, Irvin, why did the market drop? What is the story that triple arrow is telling us? Look at that. Triple arrow is telling us market is bearish. All you got to do is follow direction. That's it. Is it hard? Of course not. It's not. But whatever system you're using, if you find it hard, it is. But look at here, guys. Look at how clean this chart is. I don't have no indicators. Only my triple arrow and my Fibonacci. Look at, you see that moving average, the green and red? I don't even talk about that stuff. I have it in there to be more colorful. But I can just remove it. And I never mentioned that. I can just remove it. Look, that's it. Triple arrow all the way. And the way how I operate, the other thing that I do, guys, is what? Time frame. Time frame. Time frame. Time frame. Time frame. I use what is built in with the MT4. And I combine it with whom? Triple arrow system. That's how I do it. You don't see me putting any crazy indicator in here. Because the more stuff you put in your chart, more confused you're going to be. and maybe you're gonna be blowing your account. Who knows? But I mean, my style is clean. Remember, we are 4 coaches in our system, so find your niche. If you think this will help you, stick to it. If you think the other 3 more coaches are in the session and you find value out of them, stick to one of them. But your goal is to find your niche. All right. All right. Samir says, "Oh, okay. Thank you, bro. No problem, man. My pleasure. Remember, $25. It's not bad." All right. Let's go to the next pair. So hopefully, on gold makes sense to you guys. We're gonna go back to Australian dollar versus our USD. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Guys, how many pairs did I say did I analyze on Sunday? 14. Out of 14, we are on our 11, right? Well, with this one is 12. Out of 14, out of 12, we're doing great. We're doing great. All triple arrow. Triple arrow will not lie to you. All right, look at here. I'm pretty sure I told you the formation of the triple arrow was gonna be here on Sunday. I'm pretty sure I told you that. You can go back to the video and analyze it. Remember, the video that I did separately, it was on the Euro-Usd, GBP USD, and the AUD USD. Go back and check that one. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was still gonna give us 1 or 2 more candle before what? Before it takes off. Look at what it's doing. I told you it was gonna come back and retest R23 to R38 Fibonacci line. Look at where it's sitting. It's sitting exactly where I told you. You here with me? You seeing it? Triple arrow all the way. I think it's the best system in the world, guys. I strongly believe that. And guess what? We are working behind scenes to even get better, guys. This triple arrow is gonna be even better. You will be amazed. Pips, 2020 is gonna be your year. Only if you make the change that you want to. You got control of your life. But we're here to teach you. Hopefully that makes sense. So patience, discipline is all you need. All right. So let me see what Samir says. Maybe I will blow and just pull the last 5 buys, 5, 6. I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean in there, brother, but it's fine. All right, so let's see what Rhonda said. This stuff is amazing. Oh, thank you, Rhonda. No problem. Look at this, Rhonda. Why let me assume. All right, I'm not 100% if it's gonna be right, but why you feeling that this class is amazing? Simply because it's clean. Look at how clean it is. Your eyes can see it. You know what the triple arrow is. Look at what triple, if I had to highlight it, look at here. Triple arrow. Triple arrow. How hard is it? There's no secret here. You just gotta have rules. There's no indicator here below. You don't see. Can you imagine I put indicator like this, right? Like that. And then you try to read the chart. Let me add more stuff. Let's say all these are indicators, because this is how everybody do it. And then you try to read your chart. How can you know what the market is doing? Tell me. I want to help you guys. Don't get it personal, okay? Really, don't get it personal. I'm just here to help you out. Look at when I delete everything. Look at this. You can come to this floor and dance all the way. The floor is yours. All right. All right, let's move on to our GBP USD. What are you guys doing on GBP USD, guys? Anyone? Ah, look at this one. Look at this one. Out of 14, we had the first one that would have gone out of our way. That's fine. It's fine. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday on the GBP USD. Let me take this. Oops, I grabbed the wrong tool. I always get confused. There you go. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Market was gonna come back and retest our 78 to our 0 Fibonacci line. Finally, one is out of our way. And then the market, I said the market was gonna drop down. Obviously, it dropped down more than what I told you. But anyway, but remember guys, even if you would have put your stop loss, I would have put my stop loss right above our 100 Fibonacci line. The market would take you out. In my opinion, this trade is valid. There's no way you would have, if you would have take this as a bullish or bearish. Yes, market was here, somewhere in here. If you would have put 10-20 pips trailing stop, probably the market would not take you out. It would have taken you out in profit. And then what? Look at what happened. It reversed. So this is still pretty good. There's no way you would have lose this one if you would have taken it as a sell. But remember, I don't do signals, guys. This is just a fun educational video using triple arrow system. All right. Let me read some of your question here. Chat said is simplicity. There it is. It's nothing hard. All right. All right, let's go to our last pair of the night. And I want to thank everyone for coming in today, guys. I really do. So hopefully you finding a lot of value out of this. And remember, all I'm asking you guys to do is only one thing, guys, is to do this. Look, watch. Is to subscribe and hit the bell notification below. That's it. That's all I'm asking. All right. All right. So let's go to our last pair. Look at what Euro-USD is doing. This is done on what time frame? 4 hours. Right? 4 hours. 4 hours giving us a story of market in that time. What did I tell you guys on Sunday? I don't remember. Hopefully someone watched the video. Said the market was still gonna give us one more 2 candle before what? Before it takes down. And then I said it was gonna come back and retest our 23 Fibonacci line. Look at what happened. It gave you more than what I told you. Remember, I'm just another fellow trader. I'm not here to tell you exactly it's gonna do what I do the analysis, but it seems like my analysis came out pretty neat, very accurate. All right. So Mike Ralph say, "Hi, I'm from South Carolina." All right, cool. I know people are watching all over the world. So USA in the house, perfect. Louis says, "Samir, I think gold is going to do a small pullback." There you go. Louis is translating triple arrow. Good job, Louis. You see, guys, this is what I'm talking about. There are some other traders in the chat room. They know their stuff. I mean, if you don't have time to ask me or ask any of our coaches, you can ask our own personnel inside. We're here to help you, guys. We're here to help you. This is a real family. Real family here. We help each other. All right. Hopefully that makes sense. Chat said, "Irvin, can you check Euro JPY when you're done with the analysis?" Sure. All right, let's do that one, guys. And Adam says the GBP USD was on fire. All right, cool. All right, so let me delete this. We're gonna do one more, and then I'm gonna cut it off for the night, because I want this video to be short and sweet. All right. So if you want to come back and rewatch it, you can do it. All right. So this guy want me to check which pair is it? I forgot. Where are you? Euro, right? But what's the story behind on that pair? Can you drop it below so I would know? Because I really want to help you, but I want you to tell all of us what are you doing. Because that's the only way that we can help you out. There's no other way. All right. So hopefully that makes sense. All right. What is your what are you doing on Euro JPY? Come on, drop it. Let us know. Here it is. Because I don't know. I mean, I don't know what it's doing. Actually. All right, so let's go ahead and analyze this pair, and then we take off, guys. I think today class it was great one, and hopefully you can join me back on Sunday for our next analysis. All right, so did I drop the pair? Oh, I forgot. Euro Euro versus JPY. What do you think? What do you guys think is this one is doing, guys? Why is this acting up? So there it is coming. There it is. It's just acting up, but it's fine. I mean, remember, you can wait, right? Because I'm doing your analysis for. Ooh, look at this. This is amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me kind of like tell you guys. Look at what I look here. Look. What is the overall trend here? It's bearish, right? Perfect. Chart said it's a sell position. Right, good. It's not, Chai. Not yet. Alright. Look at it. Triple arrow come in as a bearish, right? That's good. Then look at when the sellers come in. They come stronger and heavy. Bam. Look at who's in charge doing what. What do you guys think this one is doing here? Guys, please, you can't be wrong here. Look at here. What is this triple arrow doing? Please, can someone answer this? Alright, Chai said I'm in a sell position. Not yet. Not yet. You should not be in a sell here yet. Sell is over. This is doing a triple arrow pullback. This is what we're looking here. What I would say that it's gonna do for the rest of the week is forming to do what? To continue the path down, because the overall trend is bearish. All right, so look at when the sellers come in, they come weaker. When the sellers, with the buyers, my apologies, and then it's gonna take down. Find out the overall market is bearish. There you go. Veronica says a retrace. Good job, Veronica. Louis says it's a TA pullback. You got it. Sarah says a buy. No, Sarah, it's a pullback. On pullback, you need to grab between 20 to 40 pip, guys. That's it. Otherwise, you're gonna blow your account. Please, Sarah, please. All right. So come and watch my videos. That will help you a lot, tremendously. All right. So hopefully whoever asked this question, this is a great one to be asked. All right. So please make sure you guys join me on Sundays for our fully analysis. All right. So I wanted to congratulate everyone and thank you for coming in. Okay.